Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you the unboxing of sunglass from Lenscart. So this is one buy one get one offer. So I am uploading one sunglass here in this video, and I have already uploaded in another video. So if you like, you can watch that too, and you can see the design, the quality, and it's so affordable. So in the if you will go to any other store and buy, so you can get only one, but in that same price we got two from Lenscart, and quality wise also it is very good. So you can see and you can comment how you like, whether you like to purchase one. So if you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video, and share it with your friends and family, so they could also get benefit of buy one and get one offer. Hope you like this design.